If you're over 60, you already know how quickly muscle can disappear. One day you feel strong, and the next, your legs feel softer, your arms feel weaker, and even simple tasks feel heavier than they used to. But here's the truth no one tells seniors. You can still build muscle fast at 60, 70, or even 80. You just need the right high-protein foods. And the best part? They don't have to be expensive. Today, you're about to discover 7 cheap, powerful, protein-rich foods that can rebuild your strength, protect your mobility, and keep you active for years. Let's start with something surprising. You don't need fancy supplements, overpriced powders, or celebrity diets. Your body responds beautifully to simple, real, everyday foods, the same foods you walk past in the grocery store without realizing how powerful they are. Number 1, beans, black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans. They're all loaded with plant protein, fiber, and minerals your muscles crave. They cost almost nothing, but they fuel muscle repair better than most packaged foods. Seniors who eat beans regularly have better gut health, more energy, and stronger legs. Add them to soups, salads, or even breakfast and watch the difference in your stamina. Number 2, eggs. They're one of nature's most complete protein sources. The amino acids in eggs absorb easily, which is important as you age because your digestion slows down. 1 or 2 eggs in the morning can improve your muscle strength within weeks. And no, they do not harm your heart when eaten in moderation. In fact, recent studies show they may actually improve good cholesterol in older adults. Number 3, Greek yogurt. It's cheaper than protein powder, but offers more protein per dollar. Seniors benefit from it because it contains probiotics that help nutrient absorption. When your gut works better, your muscles receive more of the nutrients you eat. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and add fruit, honey, or nuts for a powerful muscle-boosting snack. Number 4, tuna. This is one of the simplest ways to get high-quality protein without spending much. Canned tuna gives you protein plus omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation, something almost every senior struggles with. Less inflammation means less stiffness, easier movement, and better workouts. A tuna sandwich can literally support your muscles while costing less than $1. Number 5, cottage cheese. This old-school food is extremely underrated. Cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles for hours. It's perfect for seniors who don't want to feel hungry all the time. Mix it with fruit, cucumbers, or even olive oil and pepper. Your muscles will feel the difference. Number 6, lentils. These tiny legumes are a treasure for older adults. They are cheap, quick to cook, and deliver protein plus iron, which many seniors lack. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles, meaning better strength and less fatigue. A small bowl of lentils can fuel your body longer than most expensive protein snacks. But number 7 is the one you should pay the most attention to. Out of all 7 foods, this one stands out as the cheapest, cleanest, most effective muscle-building option for seniors, and that is canned salmon. Canned salmon is a powerhouse. It gives you high-quality protein, omega-3s, vitamin D, and minerals all in one. And because it's canned, it's extremely affordable and lasts long. Seniors who eat salmon regularly experience better muscle recovery, stronger bones, sharper memory, and smoother movement. If you want the fastest results with the smallest cost, make canned salmon your weekly essential. This one food alone can transform your strength. So if you're over 60 and worried about muscle loss, start simple. Add beans, eggs, Greek yogurt, tuna, cottage cheese, lentils, and especially canned salmon to your daily routine. Combine these with light walking or simple resistance exercises, and your body will respond faster than you expect. Muscle loss is not a normal part of aging. It's a sign you need better nutrition. Your strength is still inside you, waiting to be rebuilt. And these 7 foods are your starting point.